can see I was meant to fucking rave. Entire